Welcome to the Balance and Restore series, which replaces Dear Dr. Mao for the month of January. To help you start your new year on the right footing, this second week's theme is energy and stress. I'm delighted that you are joining us on the path towards a long, happy, and healthy life. I hope you will learn to enjoy and practice what you learn over the next few weeks and incorporate these new habits into a new and vibrant lifestyle. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter as you will be receiving weekly emails filled with additional tips that support each week's theme. Just go to dialofwellness.com and sign up today. Energy and stress are interrelated, and both of them affect our health and our longevity. Chinese medicine have long recognized that our body, mind, and spirit are inseparable, and the health of one affects them all. When we are trying to cope with stress, our energy sags, but when our spirit is calm and we feel good, our energy soars. When you are stressed out, your body will release the stress hormone cortisol to keep you alert and prevent you from sleeping deeply for fear of being eaten alive by the saber-tooth tiger. Therefore, your body converts extra sugar and pour it into the bloodstreams to give you that initial boost of energy, raise blood pressure, both of which will lead to obesity. So the good news is that if you want more energy, simply turn down your stress, and the extra energy saved from coping with survival will help you fuel your health, vitality, and make your day that much better. Here are 3 tips to help you increase your energy and decrease stress. First, make a list of what is stressing you out. Separate the list into what you can control and what you cannot. For the stressors that you cannot control, take a thick Sharpie marker and write a big X across the list and say aloud to yourself, since these stressors are beyond my personal control, I am now letting go and detaching them from my being forever. Or if you believe in God or a higher power, you can say, I now surrender them to God or the higher power. For instance, the turmoil in the United States Capitol is beyond your control, but you've been stressed out over it. Well, cross that one out on your cannot control list and say, the events in our nation's capital is beyond my control. I am now letting go and detaching the worry and anguish from my being forever. Second, for the stressors you can control, write down actions that you intend to take to reduce or eliminate them. And then read aloud each stressor and the actions you intend to take. For example, you being overweight is stressing you out, creating guilt, poor health, and low self-image. Come up with an action such as reducing sugar intake and read aloud as follows. I will practice sugar-free Sundays to help with my weight wellness and feel good about me. Remember, be as specific and realistic as possible with an action so that you can achieve the intended outcome instead of setting yourself up to fail, which will simply make you more stressed out. Third, give yourself a quick energy boost by taking 2 minutes 3 times daily and do squats or jump in place even without a jump rope. Actually, why don't you join me now wherever you are? Squat as if you are sitting down on a chair and keep your spine straight. It's really important, to keep your spine straight. Let's do 10 of these. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get the gist, right? Now let's do 10 jump in place while swinging our arms. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn around here. 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you get the gist. There you go. How do you feel? Simple and quick energy boost, pick me up exercise. In summary, don't let stress get your energy down. Make your list of what you can and cannot control, let go of what you cannot, and add an action to what you can control. And do quick energy boosting exercises every single day. Again, be sure that you subscribe to our newsletters, as you will be receiving weekly emails filled with more tips that support each week's theme. Just go to dialofwellness.com and sign up today. I hope you found today's episode helpful. I invite you to join Dr. Dow and I for our annual Health and Wellness Retreat, which is going online, virtual this year. It's going to take place from February 10th to the 14th. The theme this year is Rebuilding Life Force, Restoring Balance. And yes, we all need that now more than ever. Go to collegeofdow.org website, spelled with a T, and sign up today for a special one-time discount. Tune in next week for how to strengthen your immunity and eating for longevity. Until then, live long, live strong, and live happy.